Meron pa po tayong open slot. Actually, 3 units na lang po. So,
Grabe naman.
get yours na.
Nano Babo Kabalen, welcome to Pampanga. Guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Angeles City, particularly Veloce Tower Mall. So kasama natin ngayon si Sir Roque. And syempre, kakwentuhan niya tayo, ano ba yung update natin, ano ba yung progress update natin sa property na to. So sir, good morning.
Hi, good morning.
Salamat po sa pag-imbita sa amin.
Most welcome, most welcome.
Ayun. So huwag na natin patagalin, sir.
Yes.
Kumusta po ang update natin? Anong progress natin
So
sa
far,
property?
nakikita nyo naman ang update na so sa baba po, meron na tayong mall space.
Yes, nakita ko
At
kanina,
saka
sir, may
sa-
mga nag-ano na.
Tapos sa 5th and 6th floor, ready for occupancy po lahat yan. Corporate commercial space naman.
Wow.
So from 7th floor po, kung saan tayo ngayon, front view, Mount Arayat.
Yes.
Ito po ang residential area, 7th floor to 12th floor.
Wow.
Nasa garden floor po itong 7th floor, which is ready for occupancy na.
January of 2026, mayroon na tayong turnover. Tama
Yes,
po ba?
yes po, yes po.
Napakaswerte naman po ng mga unang makaka-receive
Exactly.
ng mga ano natin. Guys, gusto ko lang i-emphasize sa inyo, no? So, napakaganda po ng location or vantage point ng property na to. No? Kita ko pa rin yung San Fernando, sir. Yung mga property natin doon, nakikita ko.
Yes.
So, it's up to you guys if you wanna, wake up in the morning or go to a office every day na ganun yung nakikita ninyo.
Yeah, imagine.
Have you ever, parang naisip nyo ba yun?
Imagine paggising mo, ganito ang view
Tama
mo.
po,
na?
tama po, tama po.
Makakalimutan mo yung stress.
Sir, i-room tour po natin yung mga unit natin. Ano po yung mga room number na pupuntahan
Samahan
natin?
niyo po kami sa
Yes.
quick tour.
Okay, so ngayon guys, kasama naman natin si Ma'am Ara. Thank you so much po for inviting us. Actually, this is our third time to feature and right now, yun nga, nagbibigay po kami ng update kung ano yung progreso dito sa ating Veloce Tower Mall. So Ma'am Ara, hi ka muna sa mga viewers natin.
Hi guys! So we're here at the 7th floor, 2-bedroom unit with a size of 112.10 square meters. So
Okay.
ito na po yung turnover niya. So ang tawag po kasi namin dito is fully fitted turnover. So ang ilalagay na lang po nila is appliances and ready na po yung mga provision natin. So yan, kasama na po yung cabinet. Here.
Galing.
Yes.
So imagine guys, you cooking, no? Like your dinner or your merienda. Ang ganda.
Yes.
So dito rin guys, sabi ni Ma'am Ara kanina, meron tayong dalawang bedrooms. So ayun guys, this is more of, I think if you have, a small family, dito
Pwede
yung,
po kids room.
yeah, that's what I'm saying, kids room tayo.
O kaya pwede niyo pong gawing office.
So itong room na to, meron din siyang access, which is this
So,
one.
i-open mo lang siya.
Look at that.
So, yan na yung view. Imagine while working. Yun yung view ko.
Yun. Alright, so let's go to ito yung pinaka-master's bedroom, ma'am. So, ayun guys, imagine, so this is your bedroom, a small, siguro, sofa or Cleopatra, sofa, nandito rin. And again, meron tayong access dito for the veranda. Nandito yung Mount Arayat, guys, eto. So, again, I wanna emphasize, you guys, waking up in the morning and see this view. Actually, ito yung sunrise area natin.
Yes.
So, morning sun to, guys. Papunta doon yung sunset naman natin. Alam mo yun kasi ito yung Arayat eh. So, Arayat is the sunrise of Pampanga. Wow! Wow! So, parang different orientation dun sa unang room natin. So, a little bit smaller, if I may say, pero meron pa rin tayong dalawang bedroom dito. So, imagine yan, if makakakuha po kayo ng unit dito, this is somewhat how it looks like, no ma'am? Yung mga finish natin. Wow! Wow! Ay, grabe.
Sobrang lawak po ng ano.
Ang swerte naman ng nakakuha
Pwede
nito,
po maglagay
ma'am.
ng
Parang table and chair pa,
yes.
no?
O kaya mga plantita.
Plantita, oo. So, still, something functional space para po sa inyo. You can have, pwede po mag-barbecue dito, ma'am?
Pwede.
Wow! Mag-barbecue po kayo dito and then, you can open space naman siya. So again, it has the view of, yung ating Angeles City. And I think this is, in terms of price, this is cheaper naman dun sa
Yes.
nauna, no?
Smaller.
Backtrack po tayo. So the first time or nung first initial selling ng Veloce, would you remember how much yung price natin, ma'am?
Noong 2019, yung one bedroom nasa ranging lang po siya ng 3 to 4 million.
3 to 4 million.
Tapos ngayon nasa 8 to 9 million.
8 to 9 million.
10 million, ganun na po yung
So that
price.
is more than 300% times nung investment nila.
Yes. Kaya napakaganda po talaga mag-invest
Diba?
sa property.
So so that was 2019.
Yes.
Ano na ngayon? So that is 6 years. Imagine guys, times 300% na po yung kanilang investment. Imagine guys, after like another 2 years, tataas na naman talaga yung value dito.
Yes po, exactly po. Kaya kailangan ngayon na po kayo mag-invest kaysa hintayin nyo na po yung mga naka-ready na turnover, napakamahal na po.
Yeah.
So maganda po talaga mag-invest na agad. Huwag na pag-isipan pa.
Ayun. Alright, so let's go to the last room.
Nandito po tayo ngayon sa studio unit, which is 26.70 square meter.
So you have an entrance and exit here, tapos meron din tayo doon sa na door na yun. Okay, so at least na-mention po natin, few units left. I think this kind of unit sold out na po tayo.
Sold out na po, matagal na yung studio unit.
Yes, pero sa mga nakakuha po, at least you have a feel and look of kung ano yung, congratulations, kung ano yung final na mata-turnover po sa inyo. So,
For more details or inquiries, please call us or message us. Also, we have our own mall, which is 24/7 open. For sale din po siya. Yes. We have 5th and 6th floor office spaces or corporate commercial spaces po. For sale din po. Few units left na din po yun.
Yes.
And then, lastly, our residential units. 7th floor to 12th upper penthouse, 3 units left na lang po.
All you have to do is come and visit us and get yours.
get yours, guys. Few units left. Don't miss this chance. If you have the opportunity, yun nga. So, go grab it. Ayun guys, so if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, share it to the one you wanna have a space dito po sa Veloce. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!